We have this question: simplify root 75 plus 2 root 27. Okay, so this is a short question and it's a typical GCSE question. Right, so the first thing you have to do to solve this particular question is you look at the numbers you have inside your root and then you try to figure out the biggest number that can divide both 75 and 27. To put it right, we are looking for the HCF of 75 and 27. So the biggest number that can divide 75 and 27 is 3. That can divide both of them. 3. So we know if we do 75 divided by 3, that gives us 25. And if we do 27 divided by 3, that gives us 9. So I know that 25 multiplied by 3 is 75 and 9 multiplied by 3 is 27. Alright, so I'm going to rewrite root 75 as square root of 25 times 3 and this as square root of 9 times 3. So if you look at this carefully, you see that I put this inside a bracket. That is actually to make your solution clear, easy to follow. Right, so I'm going to separate this because there's a law that states if you have root A times B, this can be root A times root B. So this is a law and we are going to be applying that law. So this now will be root 25 times root 3 plus then 2 times root 9 times root 3. So the square root of 25 is 5. So I have 5 times root 3 plus 2 times the square root of 9 is 3, then times root 3. So 5 times root 3 is going to give us 5 root 3. Be careful. Do not use the 5 to multiply what you have under that root. So then plus 2 times 3 is 6. So this is 6 root 3. And by the law of sort, since this guy and this guy have the same root, it means I can add their individual coefficients together. So 5 plus 6 is going to give me what? 11. And that means that my answer now would be 11 root 3 in a simplified form. I hope you've learned a thing or two in this video, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you.